Are you a federal or a postal employee thinking about retirement? If so, you've probably heard, undoubtedly, about the Thrift Savings Plan. But do you really know how to make it work for you? Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful investment options available to you, the TSP C Fund, and why it could be your key to long-term financial success. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the TSP C Fund works, its risks and rewards, and how you can use it to build secure retirement. Plus, if you ever need help navigating your TSP investments, the Benefit Coordinators is here to help. So let's get started. We really enjoy producing these videos, and if you enjoy them as much as we enjoy making them, would you do us the favor and click the subscribe button? Also, clicking the like will help the metrics, and clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts on Saturdays. Also, if you are a government employee, we have produced a handbook that will explain all government benefits to you. We've been doing this for many years, and it's available to you free. Just simply contact us. Again, I thank you very much for watching this video. First off, what is the TSP C Fund? Well, the C Fund is an investment option that mirrors the performance of the S&P 500 index. This means, in short, if you invest in the C Fund, you're essentially investing in 500 of the largest and most successful companies in the United States. We're talking about industry giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The C Fund gives federal employees and postal workers the opportunities to grow their savings by tapping into the power of the stock market. Over time, it has historically provided strong returns, making it a favorite among long-term investors. Why should federal and postal employees invest in the C Fund? One word: growth. That's right. Growth. Historically, the C Fund has outperformed other thrift savings plans over long periods of time. The average rate of return for the C Fund has been significantly higher than safer options like the G Fund. If you're planning for retirement 10, 20, or even 30 years down the road, investing in a fund with high long-term growth potential is a super smart strategy. And remember, the sooner you start, the better. Again, the sooner you start, the better. Comparing the C Fund to other investment options. Not quite sure if the C Fund is a right choice? Well, let's compare it to the other individual TSP funds. The G Fund. It's the safest option with guaranteed returns, but much, much lower growth potential. The F Fund, a bond fund that doesn't provide stability, but, it does provide a little bit of stability, but doesn't match the C Fund's long-term growth. Next, the S Fund invests in small and mid-sized companies with higher risk and potential rewards. The I Fund focuses on international markets, adding global diversification, but also currency risks. Now, by understanding these differences, you can make informed portfolio allocation choices that align with your retirement goals. So, how does the C Fund fit into lifecycle funds? That's a good question. Many federal employees choose lifecycle funds for automatic portfolio allocation. These funds adjust their mix of investment based on the planned retirement year, gradually shifting towards safer assets as you near retirement. The C Fund is often a key component of life cycle funds, providing the growth portion of the investment mix. So if you're looking for basically a hands-off strategy, life cycle funds can be actually a great option. Understanding some risks and what you do need to know, while the C Fund offers high potential returns, it is important to recognize its investment risks. Stock market volatility. The value of the C Fund can fluctuate daily. If the market crashes, your investment can lose value. There's no guaranteed returns. Unlike the G Fund, the C Fund returns are not at all guaranteed. And it's a long-term investment. This fund is best suited for those who don't need their savings for many years. So if you're unsure how much risk to take, a professional TSP investment advisor can help create a strategy that fits your needs. What about ethical investing? Where your money is going. Did you know your TSP funds might include investments in industries you care about? Some TSP investments include investments in tobacco, military arms manufacturers, investments in prisons, investments in deforestation, and fossil fuels. If you want to align your investments with your values, reviewing your full portfolio holdings and making investment recommendations are based on your preferences is truly the key. Look, the C Fund invests in the top 500 companies in America. What do you expect? There's some new investment opportunities too called the mutual fund window. For those looking for even more investment options, the TSP now offers a mutual fund window. This allows you to invest beyond the traditional TSP funds, giving you access to ETFs, mutual funds, and financial companies that may better match your investment goals. However, the mutual fund window comes with additional fees, high fees, very high fees. So make sure to weigh the costs before making any changes. Check out some smart strategies for making your C Fund investments. So if you're investing in the TSP C Fund, here are some key strategies to help you maximize your return. Invest consistently. That means payroll deduction, folks. Also, maximize the match. Maximize the match. And making sure that it's done through payroll deduction. Make regular contributions to basically benefit your compounding growth. Diversify. Consider adding a mix of other funds like the S Fund or lifecycle funds. You can monitor your investments and you can use the free TSP fund price trackers to stay updated at tsp.gov. Also, adjust when necessary. When you get closer to retire, you should consider shifting some funds to more stable options like the G Fund or TSP bond funds, which would be the F Fund. The benefit coordinators can help you evaluate your financial performance and ensure you're on the right track for retirement. Some final thoughts here, folks. Is the C Fund, is it right for you? The TSP Fund is one of the most powerful tools available to TSP investors looking to grow their federal retirement thrift investment savings. However, it's important to understand how it fits into your personal investment timeline and risk tolerance. If you're still unsure about your investment strategy, the benefit coordinators can help. We specialize in guiding federal employees and postal workers through their TSP options, making it easier for you to invest wisely and retire comfortably. You can visit thebenefitcoordinators.com to get advice tailored to your retirement goals. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow federal employees. If you have questions about your TSP, we'll be happy to help. I thank you for watching, and remember, your future starts with smart investments today.